Hi guys, Dr. Ladner, double board certified facial plastic surgeon. Welcome back to our educational series. Today's question is, why do some facelifts last 5 years, some last 10 years, some last 15 years, or even more? And so assuming that we're using good technique, that the facelift is done properly, which is obviously the expectation, there's going to be a difference in how long the results last based on a couple factors. So first is, how old or really how severe is the laxity, the tissue changes that folks have seen that's led them to want to get this procedure? So in other words, if someone is 45 years old and maybe they have just a little bit of laxity in their neck or along their jawline, I realistically tell them that they might not get as long of a result as someone who is 65 who has really severe laxity issues. In other words, how long will it take them to get back to where they started? It's going to take that person obviously a lot longer. And I think that most of our younger patients or folks that are coming in that really don't see severe changes, they're already going to understand that, intuitively speaking, that maybe it doesn't last as long because it's really not that bad in the first place. So that'd be number one. Number two is going to be all the things that can happen after surgery that are really outside of our surgical control. So in other words, lifestyle. Our patients living a healthy lifestyle, eating well, exercising, hydrating, taking care of their skin, avoiding smoking. And then there are the things that really they can't change, which is things like hormonal changes. So going through menopause, or in men, low testosterone levels, those can certainly affect the health of the skin. Sun exposure, making sure that they're protecting their skin from sun. Lots of other factors that really kind of play into the longevity of the results. In addition, there are things that we can do both with surgical as well as non-surgical techniques to maintain the results of the surgery, such as skin care, CO2 laser, fat grafting, all of these other things that can make that facelift look better and actually last longer. And that's it for today's teaching.